Now, glaciers are indispensable to regional climate, ecological balance, cultural heritage and socio-economic development in the Asia-Pacific region. But due to climate change, rapid glacial melting in the region is threatening water supplies, ecosystems and economies. More in our next report.
Near a wooden hut high up in the Kyrgyz mountains, scientist Gulbara Omorova walked to a pile of grey rocks. Remembering how the same spot was a glacier just a few years ago. At an altitude of 4,000 meters, the 35-year-old researcher is surrounded by the giant peaks of the towering Tian Shan Range. The range stretches into China, Kazakhstan and Uzbekistan. The area is home to thousands of glaciers that are melting at an alarming rate in Central Asia, already hard hit by climate change.
You could see the glacier covered in snow over there. You could see it even during summers, from June through August. It was quite big, but it disappeared completely over the past 3 to 4 years. Unfortunately, we can no longer see the snow or the glacier.
The effects of a warming planet have been particularly visible in Central Asia, which has seen a wave of extreme weather disasters. The melting of thousands of glaciers is a major threat to people in the landlocked region that already suffers from a shortage of water. Acting as water towers, glaciers are crucial to the region's food security, and important freshwater reserves are now dwindling fast. Equipped with a measuring device, Omorova kneeled over a torrent of melted water, standing on grey-covered ice shimmering in strong sunshine.
Our latest measurements show the glacier is decreasing in length, mass and volume. In September, we will gather GPS data to take measurements. But now, according to our latest data, the glacier is retreating by 16 meters every year.
The once majestic glacier is only one of thousands in the area that are slowly disappearing. Between 14 and 30% of glaciers in the Tian Shan and Pamir, which are the two main mountain ranges in Central Asia. They have been melting over the last 60 years, and this is according to a report by the Eurasian Development Bank. Omorova warns that things are only becoming worse, with scientists warning that 2024 is likely to be the hottest year on record. Professions like hers have hugely grown in importance, but resources are scarce in Kyrgyzstan, one of the poorest countries in former Soviet Central Asia. The shrinking glaciers have also created a new threat for Kyrgyz towns and cities, with meltwater forming new lakes before tumbling down mountains in dangerous terrains, including towards the capital, Bishkek.
The lakes are basically accumulations of water that do not have a stable dam. These dams might collapse and this whole mass of water rushes down into the valley, picking up and carrying all the stone debris out in the Ela Arka valley.
Bureau Report, WION, World is One.